If you're over 50 and you've ever wondered whether it's actually possible to make money online without learning a bunch of complicated tech and without starting an entirely new career from scratch, then this video might completely change how you see YouTube. Because the truth is, many people our age are actually using YouTube to turn that knowledge that they've built over decades into income. Not by becoming influencers, no. Not by chasing viral videos either, but simply by helping people solve problems. And today I want to show you how that works and several simple ways that people are turning one YouTube channel into multiple different income streams, including one path that honestly surprised me the most when I discovered it. Now, when I first started looking at YouTube, I honestly didn't think it was something that I could do because I assumed YouTube was for people who were smarter than me. Like, I figured you had to be some kind of expert, somebody famous even, like somebody with thousands of followers already. And I definitely did not see myself that way, like at all. I am just a grandma from Canada. And I thought, who would listen to me? Maybe you've had that same thought. But then I actually started noticing something really interesting. The people helping others on YouTube weren't always experts. They were ordinary people like me, like you, sharing what they knew. There was somebody teaching how to grow tomatoes. Somebody else was explaining how they budgeted after retirement. And then somebody else showing how to start a small side hustle. And I realized something that was really important. You do not have to be the world's biggest expert. You just have to know something that somebody else is trying to figure out. And YouTube connects those two people together. Here is something most people misunderstand about YouTube. They think of it like social media, but YouTube actually works much more like a search engine. And if you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you want help getting traction faster, then I created something called my YouTube Success Starter Kit. Looks like this right here. And it walks you through how to set up your own channel, how to choose topics that people are actually searching for, and how to start growing with confidence on YouTube. I'll leave that link for you in the description below. Now think about how people actually use YouTube. Maybe you're one of them, right? Like I am. They type things into the search bar like, how do I start a garden? How do I budget better? How do I start a side hustle? How do I make money online? People are not just scrolling randomly like they do on TikTok or Instagram. They are searching for solutions. And every one of those searches represents a real person trying to solve a real problem. So if you created a video that helps somebody solve that problem, YouTube can show your video to people who are searching for that same thing. And that means one helpful video can help people for months and even years later. And once people start to learn from you, then it builds trust. And that trust opens doors to income opportunities. So let's start with one of the easiest ways to earn money through YouTube, and that's with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing sounds technical, but it's actually something that many of us already do naturally. At least I do. Have you ever recommended something to a friend because it helped you? Maybe it's a book, maybe it's a kitchen tool, maybe it's a gardening product, or even a software that you use. You recommend it because it solved a problem for you and it helped you. Affiliate marketing works exactly the same way. You simply recommend products that you already use and trust. And if somebody buys through your link, then the company pays you a small commission. Okay, so let's say you're on YouTube. Your video helps somebody solve a problem, and your recommendation helps somebody solve a problem, and you get rewarded for connecting them to the solution. Plain and simple. Now, the second income stream is creating digital products. And this is honestly where many people get a little bit intimidated. I know I did at first because they think digital products have to be big and complicated, like courses, fancy websites, and lots of tech involved. But that's actually not true. Some of the most successful digital products online are incredibly simple. Things like a checklist, a guide, a template, something that helps someone solve one specific problem. And the good thing is, like, you create it once and it can help people again and again and again. And if you're wondering how to figure this out, what your niche could be, what could your product be, that's exactly why I created my Passion to Profits 3-day workshop. In that workshop, I literally help you identify your niche, show you how Your knowledge can actually turn into income online, and we actually give you an automated system to go along with it. So we've given you the whole package, and you can find that link in the description below this video. So the third income stream that you can get from YouTube is coaching or consulting. Now, a lot of people hesitate right here because they think they need to be certified or have special title before their name before they can even help somebody. But think about this. Have you ever helped someone solve a problem simply because you had already gone through that problem yourself? That is what coaching really is. It's helping somebody move past a problem that you have already solved. Sometimes one conversation can save somebody months of frustration. I know it has for me. So there's so much value in coaching, and YouTube builds that trust that makes those conversations possible. Now, let me share something that really surprised me when I started studying YouTube. At first, I assumed creators made money mainly from ads, like from YouTube monetization. But as I studied successful channels, I noticed something different. Like many creators with smaller audiences were doing extremely well financially. And I thought, how are they doing that? Well, the reason was simple. They weren't relying on the ad revenue. They were using YouTube as the place where people discover them. And then those viewers explore other ways to work with them. That's why I believe YouTube is the foundation for anything that you want to make money with in the online space. So learning the skills of YouTube is so valuably important. Now, one of the things about YouTube that we definitely want to make sure we do cover is AdSense, because that means when you get monetized on YouTube, you know those little ads that are placed before and after and in the middle of different YouTube videos? Those ads pay to be on YouTube. And YouTube needs videos in order to put those ads on. So channels like mine, and maybe yours if you decide to create one, advertisers will put their videos there. And once you get monetized, which means you have 1,000 subscribers on your channel and 4,000 view time hours, you are then qualified for YouTube monetization for the AdSense program. So that means YouTube will pay you a percentage of what those advertisers are paying to show their ad on your channel. So let's just take a look at my income from YouTube. And this is my past year in 2025. I made just over $19,000 in AdSense revenue. And that is awesome for my little channel. And as my channel grows, hopefully that number will continue to grow with it. So YouTube can become an additional income stream. What I'm sharing with you in this video is the fact that you can start making money from YouTube long before YouTube AdSense revenue kicks in for you. But it is really nice when you get that extra bonus of money for producing good videos on YouTube. Now, there's another way that people get started that I think is really important to talk about here. Learning digital marketing. When I first started learning about making money online, I thought I had to build everything myself. Like create digital products, build your websites, figure out complicated systems. I knew the importance of that, but honestly, it just felt really overwhelming. So instead, I decided to focus on learning the skill of digital marketing. And I found a program that was basically a complete business in a box type of system. So while I was learning the education, it also gave me access to multiple income streams to get started with. So which meant I did not have to create everything from scratch, which was great news for me. So if you want to learn how this whole business in a box system works, you can see the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's below, and there's a free class that you can watch as well and just understand it so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. Now, one of the biggest mistakes people make when starting a YouTube channel is believing the only way to make money here is through AdSense. But your channel can actually unlock several different income streams working together. And I break the entire strategy down step by step in this video right here. So you're going to want to watch that one next. And I will see you over there, my friend.